Are you looking to add mobile internet to your motorhome or caravan, to keep the whole family entertained or stay in touch with loved ones far away? Falcon has the perfect solution for you. The Falcon EVO 5G antenna collects powerful 5G internet, and where 5G is not yet readily available, the EVO 5G antenna is able to step down to collect 4G, 3G and 2G. The EVO 5G antenna is up to 5 times stronger than the antenna in your mobile phone. The EVO 5G antenna is installed on the outside of your insulated van, where signal cannot penetrate through, and boosting the signal inside, allowing you to browse and stream all your favorite shows, using the internet just as you would at home, but now in your mobile home. Buying the EVO 5G system now will future-proof your van, so you will not need to upgrade your system when 5G is more readily available. Falcon offers 3 compatible router options: an 1800 megabit per second router, 450 megabit per second router and a 150 megabit per second router. The 1800 megabit per second router is capable of using 5G to deliver high-speed internet, capable of connecting up to 32 devices, meaning you can keep the whole family entertained. LTE Category 22. The 450 megabit per second router can use 4G signal and is capable of connecting up to 15 devices. LTE Category 9. The 150 megabit per second router can use 4G signal and is capable of connecting up to 10 devices. LTE Category 4. The 1800 and 450 megabit per second routers are mounted on docking stations when inside the van. They also have a built-in lithium battery that allows them to be used portably, whether you want to take it to the beach or make sure you don't miss any important emails on your bike ride. All of the routers are unlocked, meaning you can choose any data provider, and allows you to decide whether you want a contract SIM, if you are camping year-round, or a pay-as-you-go SIM, if you are only using your van for a few months of the year. Click the link in the description and choose your internet solution today. Life Made Easy by Falcon.